All right, today I made some delicious short ribs using this thermometer made from JUELICH, and I'm going to show you guys all about it, explain it to you. So basically, you just charge this thing up. It'll tell you the ambient temperature and the internal temperature. It's always good to use a thermometer for cooking meats because it's precision, and that's what you want. You want your meat to be right on the money and precise. So here is the battery life on it. Here is the probe life as well. So it'll show you the actual stand, which is this, and then the probe battery, so you can check both of them. So here it is, and then what I'm going to do here is just hold the probe with my finger, and you're going to see the temperature change right now. So you want to take that sticker off. That's just warning you to insert the probe to a certain length so you get a proper reading. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this probe back in here. All right, just like that, and we're going to go ahead and show you the app here. There's several different cooks that you can do, and you can use timers, you can use alarms. It's just great, and it shows you by meats. So I'm doing beef, but I'm going to put my own twist on it. I wanted to reach 165 for wrapping. I use it as a steak. Then I have the beef short rib option, which is fine. I already know my temperatures, so I'm going to go ahead and insert this probe into one of the beef ribs. So I'm cooking some pork ribs too, and I'm doing some rib tips. We're having a pool party, and I wanted to cook some delicious barbecue for the family. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm cooking on the Pit Boss. Went ahead and inserted that probe, and I'm smoking slow and low at 250. You already know you want to slow and low for about 3 hours, and then we bumped it up to about 300 for the last hour, and then opened it up to glaze it, and then go ahead and caramelize and basically get that nice texture on the outside. So here is one of the beef ribs. I'm just going to pull it off, and we're going to go ahead and just let it rest for a second, and we're going to give this thing a try. All right, so check it out. This is the beef rib after 4 hours and some change. It's looking pretty good. This is basically the dino rib, but just cut in half. And yeah, dude, so good. The season is just mustard, salt, pepper, and garlic. All right, we got our beef short ribs. They're all ready to go. Been cooking for about 4 hours. Check this thing out. Ooh, tiny bone, big meat. Jeez. I'm gonna try this one out. Damn, that looks so good. Now that's a damn beef rib. Woo! See that smoke ring? Absolutely great. Woo. All right, if you guys are interested in this thermometer, it's going to go ahead and be in the link description down below. All right, so check it out. It's a pretty great little piece of machinery. I'm definitely going to be using it over and over again. It came through, as you can see. So good. Here's all the platter all together, and yeah, so great, man. Well, hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.